Alright, so there's the brand new 2025 1.5 ton Trane XR14 heat pump that just fired up. It's got a Lion Swell compressor. It replaced the 1.5 ton that used to be, that looked just like this one. And this one's actually acting up as well. I talked to the owner, they said this one's not cooling. And someone's gonna come take a look at it tomorrow. So obviously, it's either this one or that one. So, yeah, you can see it's been running all day. And since it's not cold at all, we're sweaty. Yeah. Reversing valve. I don't know what's just louder, this one or the old one. If you guys want to find out, watch this start up and then go check out the start that I got from the old unit last month. It's got a Gentech fan motor. Yep, 1.5 ton. From January of 2025, and it has R454B refrigerant. Yeah, it's really quiet. It sounds good with these two Goodman units. Let me get a picture right here. Yeah, it sounds good. Has a Lion Swell compressor. This unit was installed, I think, like 6 months. 6 weeks ago, actually. Yeah, I don't know if the one right here is gonna get replaced or not. And I'll be here for 2 weeks. So I'll get another video. And what's interesting, I was like, this is gonna be the very last video of these units. When I said that, last time when I left here. Clearly it was for the last video of the unit that used to be here. So yeah, that's why the start that I got from it says very last startup. Just wanted to let you know about that. But yeah, I said I would film these units again. Well, this one and that one, because they're the only ones that still remain. Yeah. Alright. So yeah, there's another look at the data sheet. Oh, shutdown. That was a very short cycle. I was going to set it up and get another shutdown, but alright. Yeah. I'm going to wait for it to stop right here, then I'll end the video. That only had a 3-minute cycle. Swept fan blades. Looks really good. Had a good look at the Alliance again. Alright. So yeah, thank you all for watching. I'll see you on the next one.